I'm 100% old school.
100%.
That's Aunt Yolanda and Aunt Tanisha.
I've lived in Georgia for 72 years.
She's ready for things to be quiet and slower.
And we are moving to Mississippi.
Laurel, Mississippi, Aunt.
Okay, well, we'll go back and say it again.
Aunt Tanisha and Aunt Yolanda are going to live together.
She's getting older in age, and she's taking care of me most of my life. And I can't just turn my back on that. Aunt Londi was there for me. Family comes before anything.
Aunt Tanisha is kind of acting as Aunt Yolanda's caretaker in a way, but really they're fiercely independent.
It's okay to ask for help.
It's hard, though, when you ain't used to it.
There's challenges.
You don't put no butter, don't put no nothing.
Her cooking habits, I won't say they're bad.
What's
other
wrong
than
with iceberg lettuce? Fine. I love to sew clothes for the dolls.
We want to give Yolanda a sewing room.
And Aunt Tanisha a place to grow things.
As long as I can keep an eye on her, it's fine.
And I need to stay within 200 to 250.
This will be more challenging than most projects we work on because we're working with two people who love each other but are total opposites. I think this house is going to bring them together in very healthy and unexpectedly happy ways.
This is the warehouse.
Okay.
It's ugly.
It's ugly.
But I
Come
like
on.
the brick.
Do we both like brick?
She just teasing y'all, I'm telling you.
Inez and Elman Ware built this house from the ground up in 1946. The house is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's actually 3,000 square feet, and it's listed for $95,000.
Goodness.
This is a big house.
It's a big house.
It's terrible.
Has great potential.
Yeah.
What you think?
Nice big living room, huh?
Nice big living room.
I like the hardwood floors.
Yeah, oak floors.
It needs some.
What's wrong with them? It's a nice size.
We would want to refinish the floors, new sheetrock on the ceilings, new paint. Does it feel a little better?
A little bit, a little bit.
Let's talk about color. She loves pink.
Everything would be pink.
You do
Everything.
not love pink.
Yolanda's Pink Palace.
Pink palace. My bedroom, my bathroom, my closet, all pink. Pink curtains, pink spread, everything's pink.
I despise the color pink.
Okay, got it.
Really?
Yes. It's too cheery.
I'm a cheery person. That's why I like pink. She want that dark, ugly green.
No, I don't. I like all greens.
They like opposite colors. They like opposite styles.
Wait
The
a
only
second.
thing they have in common is they love each other. Everything that really changes the house happens in this room. So your bedroom on this side of the wall, which you enter from the hall, we'd close off this door and create a door from your bedroom into a big closet and sewing room. And the bathroom is on the other side of this wall, so we'd put a door here and another door into the bathroom from the hall so guests can use it too.
So this wall here comes out.
So you get a bigger bathroom,
And I don't need a tub.
Gosh,
zero
no.
entry shower.
And it's all pink.
Yes.
This suite would cost $45,000.
Yes.
I see the songroom part.
Okay.
You ain't got to live in here. You don't have to live in here.
Downstairs, there is basically the same layout for Aunt Tanisha to have her own palace.
There's handrails, but I don't think this would be great for her going up and down. So we're in your gorgeous dream home.
I like it. It's kind of secluded.
What do you think about the ceiling? Because I think it's pretty.
This is what I would call unique because you can tell this is actual, like,
Yeah, this is wood.
yes.
This would be a great big living room.
And then 2 bedrooms in the back, just like upstairs. One of them could be your bedroom. One of them could be a reading nook.
And there's a big utility room.
Yeah.
But you could turn that utility room into a little kitchen.
The house is listed for $95,000. All of the renovations that we talked about here would be $155,000. So all in, $250,000, which is the top of the budget.
Well, let's go look at another house
Okay.
that is not as separate.
If I had my druthers, I wouldn't look at another house. I'd just keep this one.
This is the Turner house.
I like it.
It's
Yeah.
purple.
Flat and it's brick.
It's
And the
purple.
new roof.
It's purple. I was told you liked purple.
Oh,
you
no, we
like
don't
blue
like
and
purple
green,
either.
but you don't like blue green.
I don't like that.
Okay.
Dolores and Wes Turner retired here and lived here for 20 years. Turner house is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,500 square feet, built in 1965, but it's only listed for $55,000.
So half the size and half the price.
Right.
Well, I have some thoughts. It doesn't include purple at all. Is this a little better?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous.
A new front door that feels a lot friendlier and lets more light in. If you added flower boxes under the windows, that makes them feel a little more like cottagey,
Welcoming, yeah.
more welcoming.
It's gonna be good. Y'all are gonna like it. Come on in.
So here's the living room. It's just paint, lighting. We would want to come in with all new LVT flooring throughout the house.
Yes, I can
You'd
see
need
that.
new floors. Kitchen's rough.
It's
There's a
real
lot to
rough.
discuss in here.
Okay.
One of the worst. Everything in here is gonna have to change.
It's pretty rough.
It's ugly.
It looks extremely old school.
So imagine if this case opening were not there, and instead you would have a peninsula coming out and brand new custom cabinetry wrapping these walls, and you would have your range and hood vent built in on that wall there, the sink centered over here, and a refrigerator on this wall near the corner, and then your dining room would be over here. And we would open up 2 new doors, one that would go to your bedroom and one that would go to a laundry room that would also get people to a bathroom.
I see what you're
Do
talking
you get it?
I can kind of see it.
From the
New
front
lighting.
door to here would be $45,000, just like the other house.
That sounds good.
In order to give you two some separation, we're gonna have to do some creative construction.
Let's talk about it in here.
So come on in here.
Yeah, let's.
I'm gonna give you a hand in here now.
Okay.
That step is terrible. This would be a massive bedroom. This door would move. We would move it closer to that corner so you could go to the backyard. It leaves a lot of room for a bed and a headboard and furniture. Over here right now, there's a utility room. We would turn that into a really great bathroom. They would have a big vanity and a 0 entry shower. There would be another door from bathroom to laundry room, which you could access from the kitchen so that Antonisha could get to the laundry room without going through your bedroom. And we would open up a door here. That would go into the final room of your suite, and we're sort of just tunneling through the walls here.
We're talking major construction back here, pouring foundation, new plumbing. So this is a $70,000 primary suite.
I like it.
We're like tunneling through these houses both times. We've saved the best for last.
Antonisha, let's go to that door right there. And
Yes. So this could be your room. It sticks a little bit on that stone floor.
The fake stone floor. I like the window.
I think of you and your love for plants. This room feels right for you. It's very sunny.
It is very sunny.
And you would have your own bathroom down this hall that's just for you. This is your private area. It's not the same as that other house where you have a whole floor to yourself, but I think it's still enough privacy. And this is where we can have fun with the greens that you love. No
You'll be
purple.
close to Auntie.
same level.
As long as I don't have to see the pink, we fine.
Okay.
There you go. All in, you'd be $200,000. Other house came in at $250,000.
A lot less expensive. You just got to talk about how much separateness you feel like you need
Right.
and
Yeah.
want. I would love to be a fly on the wall in this discussion between them.
I'm the older here, and so you kind of want to listen to what old Auntie say.
This is where you belong.
We are gonna meet Miss Yolanda and Antonisha for breakfast at Grits and Some, so we can talk about houses. They have bought one. Which one?
Turner House.
They chose the Turner house. We offered them more independence, but ultimately they chose to be closer to each other. All of this is out.
They're working in the kitchen, we're working over here. We're tunneling through. Me and Katie will go to the other side in that other bedroom, and then if we both open up those walls, we should meet in the middle. The creative problem solving that had to occur to think we can tunnel through that utility room because on the other side is a bedroom that she doesn't really need, and we turn it all into a suite. Enter the tunnel with me. Hey, how is it on y'all side? You about ready?
We're about to bust through.
Yeah.
Indiana Jones is back. Indiana Jones, what is he?
Temple of Doom is what it's, I feel like.
The
What,
Tunnel of Doom.
all right, we've tunneled, y'all. You ready to tear the back of this house off?
Back of the house, coming out today.
That addition was just done poorly, so we've got to start completely fresh. So to do that, I rip off the rotten part first. There she blows. At least we don't have to worry about like opening up the walls and finding termites because everything goes.
Whoa. This is serious demolition. Like, this is actual demolition. Yeah!
Woo! Duster! That was really satisfying to watch it happen.
The slab's dry, we have plumbing happening, and the framers are fixing to get started, and these guys are super fast. This is a different crew than what we normally work with.
Because they build new construction. We got walls, roof, what else is there?
Siding is on, windows are in, doors are in. We're just trimming out the windows and the doors.
I haven't been here in 3 days.
It's shocking. To go from, oh, Mike just bulldozed the back of the house to 4 days later, there's a new house.
A whole new house. Whoa! The inside of Aunt Yolanda and Aunt Tanisha's house is looking great. The countertops are in. We went with a classic white quartz that is gonna look so crisp and pretty against the celery cabinets. It's such a fresh, bright, and pretty kitchen that I think is gonna make both of them happy. This color story isn't gonna be for everybody, and that is perfectly fine, because it shouldn't be. Color is personal, and that is our biggest challenge with this particular house. It is old school and new school happily coexisting.
Landscaping looks great.
So we gotta hang shutters and window boxes. I hope that this house helps Yolanda and Aunt Tanisha really find their common ground. They're my favorite odd couple we've worked with. They have a lot of differences, but they love each other very much. And I hope that this house is emblematic of that.
Welcome to the Davis house.
Look
at that.
Look at that. So pretty.
You like it?
Yes. And it got the flowers in the planter box.
Uh-huh.
And you can actually see the house.
Uh-huh.
And that ugly purple is gone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at the door.
Doesn't it look friendly?
Yes, very inviting.
Little changes make a house like this feel very different.
It's making a lot of difference for me.
Yeah. We gave you new shutters, new front door, new landscaping.
And the flower box.
You like it? That's gonna be Aunt Tanisha's job. The plant lady can keep up the flower box.
Like to say, it tickles me pink.
Obviously, we are all tickled pink today.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh my goodness. It's a pretty room. Oh, girls, I love it. Oh, man.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, I like that. Erin. Good. Just could not imagine it being so pretty.
I like the color on the walls.
This is my favorite color, blue.
Very calming.
It's cheerful.
Oh, that is so pretty.
I'm so glad you're happy. We just painted it in here. And new flooring.
I was gonna say, flooring.
Yeah.
The flooring makes it feel so much better.
Yeah, compared to what it was.
Uh-huh.
I knew y'all could do it.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the kitchen and see what all we did. Lead
Go,
the
girl.
I
way.
mean, waiting on this kitchen, and you keep talking about it.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Ooh, isn't it? Look at it.
Oh, my God. It's
I never thought. Oh,
It's so different.
oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous.
this one of them chef kitchens.
Uh-huh.
Me with a brand new kitchen.
Look at you.
See,
It's good, though,
you
ain't
talked about my green. You ought to be tired of green. Well, I'm not.
I love this green.
You got all the space for your mixer. I don't have to bump into you trying to get to the kitchen.
It looks so fresh.
And I just love it.
I love that you know what you like
I do.
and you tell people.
And it worked for me.
So the kitchen used to be on this side of the room. We moved the kitchen to this side of the room. We did try to think of you both. We put in a high-powered vent fan in
That's
the
right.
hood.
I really like that.
You can fry bacon and you don't have to smell it.
And if she's cooking, I don't know, some tofu, you ain't gotta worry about it. There used to be a big wide door right there that went into that like den, and we moved that door to here, and then this door goes to the laundry.
I like the way this green color looks when that bedroom door is open with the color in there. Do you want to go see it?
Yes.
Go.
Yolanda's pink palace awaits.
Oh, look at my room. You got the pink, right?
A lot of pink.
Beautiful pink. Oh, that's pretty.
This is a brand new house you're standing in
We tore all of this off.
Oh,
and built a whole new back half of your house and poured a new slab to get the floor level so you don't have any
Yes.
steps inside.
And I like that a whole lot.
Yes.
It's so bright.
Oh, it's so bright with all the lights. I love it.
It
It's
feels
gorgeous.
so peaceful, feminine.
But the pinks, they keep going, and there's different shades.
I didn't pick just one.
Okay.
Come see your bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this bathroom. Oh, look. Look at my shower. Oh, I needed that.
We wanted
Oh,
it to be
I
as
love
easy as
that.
possible for your mobility. So we also went with a shower curtain instead of glass doors because that would be easier.
I can get in there.
See, you don't have to worry about you falling out the tub.
And the shade of pink. Oh,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous.
To me, it just
And-
feels a little bit like old school glamorous.
Uh-huh. That's pretty neat.
You want to keep going?
Yes. Look at this room, girl, please. Oh my goodness. This sewing machine is like mama's. Look at that.
This is an old sewing machine.
Right.
We took everything off of it. I called my mama because she's also a seamstress, and I said, what does Miss Yolanda need? She said, you need somewhere to put thread. She said she needs a little storage for like scissors, thimbles, whatever she may need.
And it's pink.
It's pink.
Not many people in the world have a
bright,
closet
airy.
this big.
I love this.
So you remember there wasn't a door here. There was
Yeah.
a closet here.
Right.
And a
there was a
door
door
over
here.
Yes.
And that's gone. So Antonicia's gonna have to go all the way around if she's coming in here.
Not coming in here. She don't have no business in here. Nothing in here belong to her.
Unless you ain't take your medicine. If she ain't got a clock in front of her face, she probably won't ever leave that room. So I'm definitely going to have to check on her. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Antonisha, look at it.
It's-
Look at it. It's so pretty.
It is. I love it. Oh, I like the color. I wouldn't imagine this green, but it fits.
And you got a big closet now?
Oh, look
this
at all that
closet.
space.
We stole the living room closet and gave it to you.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And don't forget, you have your own bathroom down the hall, so you don't have to share.
Oh, it's somewhere to put books.
So you like that?
Yes.
Good, because I built it. There's two things you love, plants and books. And this is sort of a nightstand, sort of a bookshelf, sort of a plant stand.
Mm-hmm.
You have some floor space under it.
Yes.
Mallory and I got you some sweet romance novels.
Ooh,
How'd you know?
I know what you like.
spicy in here.
It makes the room feel, I don't know, it makes the room feel like me.
I feel like even though this room is smaller than Aunt Yolanda's, it's very personal.
Yes.
And I feel like it looks like you.
Yeah.
I love that you gave us parameters to work within. You said, I have to have a celery green kitchen. I have to have a pink bedroom. And also, thank you for helping us all decide what to wear today.
That's right. Yeah.
Thank you for loving what you love.
And thank you for making it happen.
You got the house for 55 grand. The renovation was $145,000. You're all in $200,000.
That's good.